and welcome back to the review. So I'm going to take a look at this Epimania. I picked up my little Archos. I picked up 2 lots, one for $5 and one for $6. So 2 crates. So I think I did a really good deal. And the rest of them I'm just going to lot up in big bulk lot and get rid of them that way too. I'm going to do that because I'm just them. Because these lots, I think I can make some good money flipping them in like lots in my local auction house. I think I make decent money flipping them in lots or singly. But let me actually look it up here. So yeah, so let's take a look. So I got, they're all he's and Chilton. He's Sprint. Let me see. I don't care how long I take this sell. I just want to see if they sell. If they sell. First of all, that's what I'm really worried about in this video. Let's show you if I got good deal. I still think I got good deal. If I let every single one in one big bulk lot or a couple big lot in like bulk lots, I still think I did a good deal. I still think I did good on them. Here, let me see. Chevrolet Sprint and Geometry. This is the one right here. $99 with free ship. I still did okay. $3 plus shipping. $4.95 plus $3.82 in shipping. $10 plus shipping. $7.49 plus ship. $7.50 shipping. $4.50 shipping. $10 free shipping. Exactly $10. $10 with free shipping. Exactly. $8.99 free shipping. $4 plus shipping. $29 plus $3.99 shipping. So I did a good deal. I got good on that one. So I did good on that one. Let me take the red. Let me show you this. Nissan Maxima 9301. He's. So this is actually probably worth it. This one, some of these I might lot. Some of these, if they take fair to sell, some of these I might lot up. $9.95 plus shipping. Let me actually look at used cups. Let's look up used cups. So, 95 plus shipping, 15 free shipping, 10 free plus shipping, 8.99 plus shipping, 10 free shipping. You can actually see. So actually, I did actually pretty decent on that one. Might take less sell it. So I did good on that one. For Mustang Capri. So these tunings, people are not buying it for the full Mercury Capri. They're buying it for the Ford Mustang. I know they are, but hey, that's $6.99 plus shipping. So $6.99 plus shipping. $11.85 plus shipping. So I did good on that one. So I did good on the Mustang one. The GMJers, I have a lot of the GMJers. So these I look up because they're kind of surprising ones, but you know what? You never know. Some of these are surprising ones. Like yeah, like the GMJers. It has a lot of them, but that's fine. I'll lot them up. For Taurus and Mercury Casino, I had 200 GMJers. For Taurus Mercury Casino. For Taurus Mercury. He's 8.95. Okay, so that actually is actually a good flip. Let's see if that's a good flip. Maybe, but that's probably just a lot up. So 3 I'm gonna lot up. Three of my listing to do 3 of my lot up so far. Mazda 626. Mazda 626 93 98. So even if I lot all of them up, even if I lot all of them, even if I lot every single one of these up, MX6, MX6. Okay, so let me just look it up. So since this is so these are 93 2001 maps. So yeah, that's a fourth lot up, I think. Honda Accord 1993. Haynes. Honda Accords are prepared. So that's the four laps and 3 individuals. That's fine. Even if I get more laps, so free ship. You can fill a lot more of these up than I sell individually. I'm cool with. So well, hey, so I did 4 and 4. So I'm about 4 and 4. So actually 5 and 4 because there's 2 of them. Let's see. Chrysler Mids. FWD. So I did 4 and 4. So now it's 5 and 4. I think I might be at 5 and 4. So we'll see. Or is it 5? Yep, I might be at 5 and 4. Which is cool. For Bronco. 1973, 1970. So I'm at 5 and 4. So 5 individuals, 5 a lot. 5 and 1 big. I might actually just do big lot. I might just do one listing, do a big bulk lot. I might just do one big bulk lot. Yeah, that's for Bronco one. Actually, did really good that for Bronco one. That's the 5th one. I can't read that one. The Intersecond, I think that's a lot. That one could be a lot of. The Cecilia Premium 1997. Cecilia Repair 1997. If that one might be a lot. So yeah, so I got 6 laps. I got 7. I probably got 7 laps, honestly. And 5 individuals, which is cool. Maybe even 8 laps. Which is cool. 4. No, it's in which. Shirley Aston. Shirley Aston. That's 1893. It's 8 and 5, so let's see if I do 8 and 6. Which I showed with this one. Yeah, 8 and 6. Yeah, definitely 8 and 6. Okay. Can't read that one, but it might be 9 and 6. Reset. Blazer, I want to type in Blazer. 8 and 6, let's see Blazer. That's 10 Blazer. Yep. E287. No, E287. 287. That's interesting. So 8 and 6. So I picked up 6. They're good. 8, they're just a lot of thickness. So that one actually might be just a lot up. And actually just maybe like 8 and 6. Which is actually cool. I'm cool with it being a lot of menu. 8 and 6. So it's actually 9 and 6 right there. Actually I got 10. I got 10 without 6. So that's cool. I got 10 and 6. Which is actually cool. I'm cool with 10. 10 being laps, possibly. And 6 being like individuals. So I'm cool with that. I'm definitely cool with that. I'm definitely cool with that. Let's type in Haze repair menu. Repair menu lot. Whoops. Let's actually look up not loyalty lot. Okay, so let's go sold cups. So then I'm going to repair menu lot for charging 59 for shipping. 18, there's 12. Third premise for 18 for shipping. Lot of 4, there's there should be shield. Okay. And then there is yeah, so it's for 18 for shipping, 24.50 for shipping, 4 menus, 26.50 free ship. There's 8 for 39.99 free shipping. The Datsun. The Datsun might be popular. Well, the Ford Escort might be popular. But some of these might not be popular ones, so yeah, they were back in the 8. And there's a lot of 8 Datsun here, 16.50 for shipping. Beater premiums, yeah, they're pretty popular. 55 plus, 17.50 plus shipping. 40 plus shipping big lot. How many are in the big lot? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 21 of them. So actually I can do 21. Actually 21, 75 plus shipping for a few. There's 20 plus shipping. There's let me see. There is 5 of them. Which is cool, 5. 13 for 49.99. Actually, I mean good ones. Yeah, actually some are good ones. A few good ones, but not really the greatest ones. 13 for 20 push. All the ones that are just like not good to sell at all individually. And there's like ones that you won't get a lot of bites on it, like these. Like some of these you would actually get bites on. Like the Jeep CJ, like the Simmons and GMC, maybe the minivan, maybe the truck that I repair. Maybe the Hudson, maybe the Dodge, maybe the Bronco ones you'd get a little bit. Maybe Subaru. I don't know. These are just really these are just really rare ones. Actually, some of these are actually good, like the 4-pass Bronco. So most of these are not very great. So 17.50 plus shipping. I could actually get like 19.99. Actually, maybe I could get a couple bucks on manual. Cruise all 10. So actually, most of these I could probably just a lot of them. Like I get like a couple of like 2, 3, like $2 a buck plus shipping. I'm gonna try to probably get $2 a buck plus shipping for them. And a big lot. Just a lot of them. Some as it. Some just big lot. $2 a buck plus shipping. Because honestly, I could just get a big lot. $2 a buck plus shipping. Make this one big, giant, massive. $9.99 plus shipping. I think that about $2 a buck. So now this is the type of lot that is like junker. Maybe the front one. There might be some good ones. You can see there are some good ones here. A few. But some, not so much. But maybe instead of just separating a few good ones, just say let's hunt 10. So. But yeah. So. maybe a few good ones. But most of my videos, a lot of them, $2 a book. Boom. And that's a big lot. Just so it's very just like an as is lot. So that's exactly what I want. Yeah, so I have a bunch. I just as is just a lot of them. I'm gonna say there are duplicates maybe included. Just not much. So yeah, I get maybe $2 a book. So we'll see. Well, I estimate after fees and shipping and like not fees, but I don't know. So depends on which one. But if I sell the good ones, there's a profit. I mean the profit. So basically, like the big bulk lot will put me in the profit right away, and then like the little individual ones, you know, in the profit. But who knows? Just sell first. So thanks, man. Take care.